Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have actually 1 day's worth of sale. Look at all this stuff. I'm going to explain how I got so many sales in 1 day. All right, so I made a ton of sales in 1 day on Poshmark. This whole table is full. Part of the way that I did that was I went through my entire closet. I lowered the price of everything in my closet, and then anytime that somebody hearted an item, I shot either a 10, a 20, or a 30% off discount on that item. So let's see if it actually translated into money. We know it translated into sales from what this table is showing you, a 1 day worth of sales. But let's see, did I actually make pretty good money? So we're gonna start going through everything and see how much we made. All right, so the first item I sold is a pair of black rubber boots, which I've got some more of. So if you're interested in these, check them out. They're really, really cute, kind of Chelsea rain boots, a new day, waterproof, size 7. Those I paid $7 for off of a liquidation pallet, which I think I overpaid because I only actually made $5.05 in that one. But I have so many that I was okay to get rid of some of the inventory. I don't want to be sharing stuff that I have an excess of. So $5.05. Paid 7, so I'm actually at negative, what would that put me at? $195 on that one. So evidently that sale didn't work out for me, but let's see if overall it works out good, because I have sold some of those boots for a little bit of a higher price. Then I have a beautiful hunter green cardigan, size medium, that came out of a liquidation pallet for $2. My earnings were $6.25, so I'm at $4.25 of positive profit after I take my money off. So the number I'm giving you is the earnings. It's not what it actually sold for. So this actually sold for $11, but after my shipping discount that I offered the person and the percentage off, I only made earnings-wise $6.25, and then I paid $2 to get me to that $4.25. So hopefully that helps you understand how I'm getting the numbers on my board. We're going to add up everything at the end and see how much we made in this 1 day. The next thing that sold were these really cute red pumps. Let me pull them out so you can kind of get a good look at them. So they're stretchy, super fun red ankle boots. $5.25 is what we earned on them. $2 out of a liquidation box is what we paid. So at $3.25 are my profits on those. Then we have a really cute, beautiful wraparound white sweater. You can't really see what it looks like in that one, but it's an extra large, still has tags. $6.25 is what we earned. $2 from a liquidation box is what we paid, so we're at $4.25. So we're making positive profits so far. They're not huge numbers, but they're pretty good. All right, now this one has been on here forever. It's a Victoria's Secret bra. I bought that at Savers for $5. And so we actually lost money on that, but it's been on there forever. So I was glad to recoup any amount of money. $2.25 is what we earned. So I'm at, let me see, negative $2.75 for that particular item. Then we have a bundle. I usually do really good on bundles. So let's see, is it the case this time with me offering the deal? So I've got 2 bras. So I've got a Beauty by Bali polka dot bra, and then I've got a shaping wireless lace cup bra, size 36B, and then underneath that I have a pair of Nickelodeon Paw Patrol shoes, and so I've got $1 invested in each one of the bras, and then I have $4 invested in the shoes, so I'm at $6 total on this bundle. $20.60 is what we made total, minus my $6, so I'm at $14.60 on that bundle. See why I love bundles? You can definitely make a lot of money on that. Then the next item we have, remember, this is only 1 day's worth of sales. This I got out of a liquidation box for $1. It's an alcove throw and booty black and red plaid. Blankets and cute little slippers. I paid $1 for it. My earnings were $1.25. That puts me at a positive 25 cents on that. And I had multiples of those. I'm almost totally out of those. I think I've got 3 or 4 left. So if you find them cute, go ahead and purchase them. All right, you can check them out in my Poshmark store. Here's another bundle. You know me and my bundles, how I love them. So this is an Apex push-up bra, sage color, and then I've got a racerback wireless bra from Exhilaration and a cotton t-shirt plunge bra from Exhilaration, and then another white bra from Exhilaration. Those were all $1 a piece out of a 500 item liquidation palette. So I'm $4 invested in that. My earnings on the whole bundle were $16. And so I'm at $12 of profit on that bundle. So that one turned out to be really well. Then we're going to wander back down on this side. I have got an Essential Old Navy Vintage t-shirt here that I have. That came from a liquidation box for $1. My earnings were $1.25, so I'm at 25 cents of profit on that one. So we'll move this back down. Then I've got another bundle. I kind of usually try to keep them together so you see what's going on. These are a shimmery black legging. They're kind of like they look like a pleather a little bit. Then I've got a really cute green velvety lace dress from Exhilaration, and then a swimsuit. Swimsuits are online right now, is the only place really you can find swimsuits because the stores don't have them anymore, or they're getting really slim pickings because of it going into the fall season. So just remember that. And so I've got basically I've got $1, and then because that came out of one of my intimates liquidation box, then I've got $2 for the dress and $2 for the swimsuit. So I have $5 total invested. $12.60 is what I earned on that one, minus my $5 is $7.60. Yes, I think I did that math right. So let me put these all back together. And then it is the fall. So just remember, costumes are going to be selling well. So this is a Star Wars Han Solo new with tags child jumpsuit. And this one is a size small. I think I've got some other sizes in this style, but this one I got on clearance at Walmart. I actually bought it, I think, for about $2. My earnings were $4.25, and so I'm at $2.25 on that item. Then we're going to wander on down to, we've got a pair of women's coverage. Remember I was talking about swimsuits? This is a tab hipster bikini bottom. So it's a bikini bottom for swimwear. Cost me $1 out of a liquidation box. My earnings were $6.05, so I'm at $5.05 for that one. Then I have this baby milestone blanket, and I paid a lot for this, but they're brand new. If you're interested in getting them, it's really cute. It's got little angel wings. You lay your baby in there and you can kind of measure how big they get from month to month. So it's a 40-inch by 30-inch basically swaddling blanket. $13.60 is what I earned. $7 is what I paid. So I'm at $6.60 for profit on that one. Then I have a couple of pairs of shoes. I'm only going to show you one of these because they're exact same pair of shoes, exact same size. So they actually sold back to back, I think, because I was making deals. So here's a really cute pair of Merona sandals. And just like the swimsuits, you can't find sandals right now because they're basically just getting all the winter shoes in. And so this pair sold, and then the very next box is another pair. So I'm going to give you the prices for this pair. So this was $4 out of a liquidation box is what it cost me. $4.25 is what I earned. So I'm at 25 cents of profit on that. And then the next one ended up being, I sold it for a little bit more. And so $6.25 is what I earned. Remember, I paid $4, so I'm at $2.25. So sometimes when I only make 25 cents on an item, that can show you that in the long run, sometimes it actually evens out because I might have multiples of the exact same item, and then you still make a positive profit because you're only making one listing, same amount of time. Then I've got a pair of high-rise kick flare dress pants. $4.25 is what I earned. $2 out of a liquidation box is what I paid, so I'm at $2.25. So they're lower numbers, but will they all add up to be really good profits and less for me to share in the future? I absolutely love these shoes. These next shoes are fantastic. They're like one of my favorite shoes, and I seem to keep getting them in liquidation boxes, but they're so awesome. Look at them. They're a pair of Gino Vitale purple men's dress shoes. Those things are fantastic. I love them. So I paid $4 out of a liquidation box for those. $18.20 is what I earned. So I'm at $14.20. And if you look behind me, I've got piles and stacks of shoes, and that came from a recent liquidation box that I did. And I do have quite a few new men's dress shoes. So be checking out my Poshmark store. They'll probably already be listed on my Poshmark store by the time that you get to see this video. So I'm excited about that. Then I have a new with tags Champion Duo Loose Fit Size Large Performance Wear shirt, basically an athletic performance wear. I paid $1 out of a liquidation box for that. $1.25 is what I made, so I'm at 25 cents for profit on that. And so some of these things that I'm only making just a smidge, part of it is because they've been on there forever and I have them priced extremely low, but we'll see. We'll do all the discounts make a difference. All right, this is a huge bundle. I'm super excited. So I've got a plush Elko fleece robe and slipper set that's purple. That one cost me $2. Then I've got a set of underwear, which cost me $1. So I'm at $3 total. And then a pair of boyfriend shorts, mid-rise boyfriend shorts, $2 out of a liquidation box. So I'm up to $5. A New Day t-shirt, which was $1, and a pair of leggings, which was $1. So I'm at $7 of total investment on this huge bundle. $7. My earnings was actually $24, and so that puts me at $17 of profit, right? 24 minus 7. Yeah, I did the math right. All right, and then so bundles are my favorite. Then I have another pair of those black rubber boots, just like I showed you. I'm not going to open that box, but I'll show you these again. So it's these ones here. I sold them again. Remember, I paid $7 for them. I earned $5.05 again for these ones. And so I'm at a negative $1.95 again because of the discount I put on those. But at least I'm recouping some of my money because they've been sitting around forever. Then I have a pair of a New Day women's flats here. Really, really sharp looking, cute women's flats, $9.25. $4 is what I paid out of a liquidation box for those. So I'm at $5.25 of profit there. And so I believe that was my, yes, that was my last item for 1 day's worth of sales. As you can see, I did really good for the number of things that I sold, but what did I actually do for money after I took off what I paid? So we're going to add everything up, even throw in those negative numbers and make sure that we include those and see how many sales total did it come out to and how much money did it actually earn in 1 day. All right, I've got everything added up and it comes to $95.15. So I definitely think that what I did with lowering all the prices and everything worked for 21 separate orders, and 4 of those are bundles. So I sold more than 21 items in 1 day worth on Poshmark. So that's that many less things that I have to share and a lot more money going into my pocket for 1 day of sales. So it's definitely worth it to do some discounting and to offering deals on things that have been there for a while, and go through your whole closet and go ahead and make price adjustments on a pretty regular basis. I try to do this about once a week or once every other week to keep my store moving and cleaned up. So hopefully it's been helpful to see what I sold on this 1 day worth of sales on Poshmark. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.